What do you do when the owner of a revocable living trust dies? That's what we're about to talk about today. I got a call on this week. Somebody was kind of freaking out because they were the successor trustee of a revocable living trust. The person that owned the trust or created the trust, the trustor, they died. They were scrambling around, not really sure exactly what to do. So here's what you're going to do. Step one, you're going to create a tax ID number for the revocable living trust that is now transformed into an irrevocable trust. You do not need to use a service, by the way, to get this tax ID number. You just need to Google IRS tax ID number, go to the irs.gov site, and then just follow the prompts. When it asks you if you want to have the number mailed to you or if you want it to be given to you right away, just get it right away. Make sure you save what they give you as a PDF on your computer or wherever you're going to save it, because that's the only copy that they're going to give you. Okay, and to find it again is quite difficult. So save that PDF. It's going to have the tax ID number on there. And then when you go in the future and open bank accounts or transfer funds, then you will use that tax ID number to open those accounts. But we're not doing that yet. The next thing that you need to do is you need to sign a document that's called like an acceptance of successor trustee duties. What this says is, I am the successor trustee of this trust. This person has died. I'm willing to accept the fiduciary responsibilities of this job. You're going to sign that, and that's going to travel around with you on the trust. It shows the people that you're going to be doing business with that you are, in fact, in charge. Once you do that, then you will start reaching out to bank accounts, life insurance companies, retirement accounts to ensure, or I guess to verify, that those accounts have the trust listed as the beneficiary or the transfer on death designation. And you will start the process of transferring those funds into trust accounts. Important note, you do not have to liquidate an investment account when you are transferring it over. Just have them move all of the stock or whatever you have from the old account into the new trust account. Super simple. This is done. The next thing you are going to do is nothing, okay, for a hot second. The main thing you are not going to do is pay any of the bills of the person that died. You're going to wait on that, okay? You are under no personal obligation to pay any bills. There is a specific process that you can follow to receive and verify and then pay creditor claims against the estate. But you are under no obligation to pay any bills right away. You're under no obligation to seek out debtors and pay them. So just sit tight. The only thing that you want to pay, if you're going to pay something, would be expenses or bills related to real estate. Property taxes, heat, security, those type of things you're going to want to pay because you're going to want to keep the house secure and safe. Once you have done all of this, you're probably going to want to notify the beneficiaries. Inside of the trust, it typically tells you what to do. If it doesn't tell you what to do, if you Google your state and trust beneficiary notification, it will tell you what to do. If you are a client of ours, you can call us and we will tell you what to do. If you're in another state, not in Washington State, you can reach out to an attorney. They will typically be able to help you with the next steps. But if you've done what I've told you so far, you are like 97% of the way there. You're going to need to make sure that you don't owe estate taxes. Like in Washington State, if the estate amount is over $2.2 million, you're going to need to file an estate tax return and probably pay some estate taxes. You're going to have income taxes due for the year. Okay, typically the trustee is going to be responsible for making sure those get paid for the individual, right, who passed away. Then you're going to look to the distribution schedule and try to figure out who's going to get what, and then you start distributing stuff out. So that's pretty much what happens in a nutshell. Those are the high-level things. Try to just take a deep breath. Know that you have time if you are the successor trustee to make these things happen. Get help if you need it. You'll be good to go, right? That's it. I'm Christopher Small, as always. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. If you have questions about this type of stuff and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can go to cmslawfirm.com. If you're watching this somewhere and you are listening and you want to get more, subscribe, follow, do whatever that stuff is. If you have questions, ask. I would love to answer them. Otherwise, that's it for today. All right, have a good one. See ya.